Hello Taurus! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel. 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang inyong romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong nagpapalik sa inyo. Let's see what is happening. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Taurus. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Kuha tayo ng mga mensahe. Okay? Messages from Romance and Love Arca for Taurus. Taurus, please. Unseen. Hide away. Anticipation. Merong unseen. Love can be blind. Ensure you're not overlooking red flags. Okay? Be observant. Maging mapagmasid. Merong tendency na ma-overlook nyo yung mga red flags sa person nyo. Okay? Hide away. Make time to be with your person. Create your own special hideaway. Anticipation. Embrace the sweet anticipation of love's arrival in your life. It is coming. Yung iba sa inyo ay single. Okay? And open for love relationship. It is coming, Taurus. For some, kailangan nyo mag-create ng quality time with your person. Embrace or celebrate the relationship. Okay. Yeah. Taurus. Let's see ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Taurus. Taurus. Oh. Your person feels that you are heartbroken. Okay. Heartbroken, disappointed sa kanya. Okay. He thinks na madaming gumugulo sa isip mo. Merong mga pagdududa. Okay. Parang hindi ka na komportable or sa inyong relationship, sa inyong pagsasama. If you are in a relationship already, okay? Malalim ang inyong relasyon, okay? Pero may mga challenges. Kailangan ng pag-uusap. Okay. Taurus, you feel na gusto mong may gusto kayong i-clarify, may gusto kang sabihin or i-clarify sa person mo kung ano ang problema, okay? But your person, pinapakita niya sa inyo na everything is okay. Your person is kind of attractive, confident sa sarili. Okay? May mga na-achieve sa kanyang trabaho or sa kanyang estado sa when it comes to work or finances. Okay? But you are disappointed of him or her. Merong pagtatago. Okay. Na kailangan, na gusto mong alamin. Your person is not opening up. Hindi siya ganun ka-transparent. Hindi siya nagkakwento or nagsasabi sa inyo kung anong nasa isip niya, anong pinagdadaanan niya, ano yung problema niya. Okay? Yeah. Minsan, yung person ninyo is okay sa inyo. Then, after 2 days or 3 days, nag-iba na naman. You don't know really kung ano ang kanyang intensyon. Ano ang kanyang mga galaw. Okay? Merong pagdududa sa part ninyo. May gusto kayong i-clear. You might be dealing with a fire sign. Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius. Hindi mo alam kung totoo ba siya sa inyo or hindi. Faithful ba siya or hindi. Yeah. Toxic na. Okay. Parang yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip na ng hindi talaga, ng sobra-sobra or hindi na healthy para sa inyo. Okay. Take care of yourself, Taurus. Pahinga mo ang inyong isip. Yeah. Baka kailangan mo ng trip, biyahe. Okay. Ibalik mo yung excitement sa sarili mo or sa inyong relationship. Take a break, Taurus. For some of you, kailangan yung lumabas. Okay? Para makapag-isip kayo ng maayos. Maging clear ang inyong mind. Okay. You might be dealing with a player. Oh. Queen of Wands. Ooh. Yeah. Your person might be dealing with two person. Okay. An earth sign. Pinapakita sa inyo ng person nyo na okay lang. Okay, I mean, walang problema. Okay siya. Meron siyang tinatago. Yeah. You feel na kailangan mo ng pag-uusap. Kailangan mo siyang kausapin. May kailangang baguhin sa inyong relationship. May kailangan kang i-clarify. Okay? It's time. It's high time na kung ano yung mga issues, ano yung concern, Taurus, you need to open it up with your person. Start a conversation with your person. Parang hindi ka na pinapansin ng inyong person. Parang hindi na siya ganun ka-communicative sa inyo. Parang merong boundaries, okay? You can feel that, Taurus. And yan yung naging problema sa inyong sitwasyon. Because maybe your person is dealing with another person. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo ay married na, okay? You are married to this person. And merong loyalty issues, merong dishonesty, and kailangan ng pag-uusap. Mag-uusap kayong dalawa, okay, Taurus? But make sure na nakukuha mo yung mga gusto mong alamin sa maayos na paraan. Okay? No argumentations. Merong pag-open up na mangyayari or conversation. Okay? May kailangan kayong pag-usapan about family issues as well. Kung may problema sa inyong anak. Yeah. If you are living abroad or sa ibang bansa, merong pag-uusap about vacation. And this is something na parang makapagbigay ng break sa inyong pagsasama or sa anong issues, okay? May planning na mangyayari, pag-uusap. But then, in your mind, Taurus, meron kang gustong i-clarify about sa relationship mo sa kanya, about feelings, about dishonesty. For some of you, may concerns about money distribution. Okay? May concern doon na kailangan pag-usapan. Merong dishonesty. Yeah. Okay. Also, you need to detach yung mga negative thinking or yung toxic na pabalik-balik or paulit-ulit. Taurus, okay? For some of you, your person thinks na nakafocus ka overly sa mga material things. And maybe that is the problem. Okay? Merong disappointments, whether to go or not to go. Merong pag-uusap, yes, okay. Kung hindi man emotional problem sa relationship, there may be a problem about money, about situation, about relocation, okay? Relocation of work. Okay, concerns about travel, vacation. Okay. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, Taurus. Pero ito yung mga energies para sa inyo. Definitely, merong pag-uusap. Okay. Merong opening up. Kung ano may pagkakasunduan. Okay. Kailangan ng pasensya, Taurus. Yeah. Use your own intuition, Taurus. Okay. Be aware sa mga red flags sa mga nangyayari surrounding you. Okay. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga messages for Taurus. Random messages from Lover Oracle. I wish I could be fully honest with you. Yes. Taurus. Merong the way I have treated you was wrong. Okay. Will this pain ever stop? Open communication ang kailangan, Taurus. Okay. You can initiate a conversation. And if meron kang i-clarify with your person, with your partner, huwag kang mag-hesitate. It hurts so much. Okay. I cry at night. Okay. Be strong, be patient, Taurus, but also kailangan mo rin magsalita. Kailangan mo rin i-express kung anong sa tingin mo ang problema o bumapagkapag sa inyo. Okay? So, ito yung mga messages, mensahe para sa inyo, Taurus. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!